So when we talk about abundance versus scarcity mindsets, what we're talking about is a foundational belief that there is plenty versus a foundational belief that resources are scarce. And what's really important to keep in mind is that our beliefs drive our actions. So if I believe that resources are abundant, I'm going to share. If I believe that resources are scarce, I'm going to hoard them. I'm going to be fearful and protect them. So when it comes to developing a mindset, when it comes to changing these foundational beliefs, there's two paths we need to go. One is through self-talk. What are you saying to yourself? Are you saying there's enough to go around? Let me share, let me help, let me contribute to the abundance. Or are you telling yourself there's not enough, I have to get mine and hold on to it? So what you say to yourself matters, but actions speak louder than words. So the second way that we develop specific mindset is through our actions. If you really want to believe that there is enough out there, that if I contribute, if I share, I will get in return, you got to do that. You have to practice that. You can go through life feeling worried, feeling scared, feeling distrustful of other people, always being concerned about what's going to happen, choosing to trust that things are not going to work out. Or you can go through life choosing to trust that they will, assuming that good things are going to happen, that there's good stuff out there. And that's the benefit of an abundance mindset because it creates this self-fulfilling prophecy. If I believe there is enough and I act as though there is enough, the thing is your actions are going to get good responses from other people, creating this feedback loop. So the more that you're helping, you're sharing, you're putting good out there, the more you're going to get in return. So this abundance mindset creates this amplifying loop.